everyone. We are students of PGDM Healthcare. Healthcare, an industry that is the fourth largest recruiter, and also, as we know, since the Black Swan event like COVID pandemic, it has been the recession-proof industry. So we are all gathered here to have a discussion on what the PGDM course is basically about, our experiences over the 2 years, and what future career prospect it entails. So since we are PGDM healthcare students, I think it is very important to understand the current industry trends in healthcare. So I request one of you to start the discussion with the same.
So adding to your point, as you mentioned that the industry is a recession proof. So we have witnessed various trends over the period of time, which includes mainly telemedicines, which emphasis more on virtual care. Second, use of more of data analytics, which vast amount of data being generated. And third is artificial intelligence, be it a diagnostic industry or a pharmaceutical industry. Diagnostics faces of various decisions which are based on analytics. So artificial intelligence is being incorporated in various. So adding to that point, we have the curriculum which we have is equipped with subjects which includes healthcare IT, healthcare informatics, through which we are equipped with the skills which are needed to make decisions more appropriate.
I think in conjunction to the same, there are a lot of myths that are floating around related to healthcare. So how has PGDM Healthcare, helped in debunking those myths?
So one of the most major myths around healthcare is the fact that people think that healthcare students get placed either in hospitals or pharmaceuticals, which has not been the case for our batch and the other batches themselves, as multiple people from our batches have got placed in data analytics firms of banking or insurance. And as Kajal previously mentioned, our course has helped us in improving those skills by adding those 50% of management subjects, whether it be marketing, operations or financial subjects, which help us to be industry ready.
Talking about industry ready, I think leadership is a very important aspect, be it in any sector, healthcare specifically. So how has our course helped in, growing you and envisioning you as a leader?
So adding to your point, we have various committees on the campus which includes placement as well as management committees, in which we are given opportunities to be part of various processes. This helped me build my leadership skills more appropriately.
I think adding to your point, there is GCL, which is the flagship program for V School. GCL is Global Citizen Leader. It is in collaboration with CCL. I think we three were part of the same team. So we were given a problem statement where we had to reduce the turnaround time between marked discharge and actual physical exit of the patient from the hospital. And we got to talk to a lot of stakeholders, like right from the insurance industry to the hospital industry. And we identified the various gaps, and we made an ideal discharge process. So that really helped us to lead ourselves, to lead with others, since we are working in cross-functional team, and to hopefully change the world with our solutions.
Very pretty much of technical stuff though.
Yeah.
Although it has helped us in physically also, like we have various sports events too. And I think apart from committee members, like various other expertise, as people having expertise into sports, other domains, they can contribute to.
Yes. So talking about our career prospect, I think as an MBA aspirant or an MBA student, one thing that we always look at is placements. So how has V School, or how has your experiences at V School helped you, shaping, envisioning your career, and how has it helped in evolving healthcare industry?
So I've been placed as a business analyst in one of the IT services firm. So my experiences at V School have equipped me with the skills that are necessary for a business analyst, and I think it would really help me in my corporate journey. So I would, as mentioned, as Bhavita mentioned, that we had GCL that really helped me polish my leadership skills and how to work in a team. Second of all, I think we all know that in trimester second we had subjects related to analytics that really helped me to polish my technical skills. We were able to build a dashboard and derive insights. And third, I would like to mention the USP of our healthcare program, which is a Samavesh, wherein we present a topic that we are good at. So it is always a to and fro information, and it has really helped me in my communication skills.
So how has PGDM Healthcare, helped you facilitate that holistic development and made you industry ready, made you career ready?
So PGDM in healthcare provides with a comprehensive curriculum to the student, which makes him or her ready for the managerial roles in the healthcare industry. The industry exposure starts right from the very beginning with the field visits that we do. In the first year, we went to different hospitals and medical device companies, wherein we as students got the first-hand experience of working in different departments. Apart from that, as Gunjan and Bhavita, both of y'all have already mentioned about the global citizen leadership, wherein we get to work with the industry mentors and a problem statement is given to us. We get to learn about the global scenario of the healthcare while developing problem solving and leadership skills. Also, the most important part, which is the summer internships, wherein we as students get to work in a corporate setting and we get a business project to work on, wherein all the acquired skills and knowledge till now, we are applying them on the business project. It includes industry exposure, communication skills, and networking with different people to make the student corporate ready.
To strengthen Priya's point, we also have experiential learning in our curriculum, like the true meaning of we in we school. We get to know that, and the team we build, it really makes sense.
I think one of the most important aspect is that we school is primarily located in Mumbai, which is the financial hub of the country. So has it particularly helped, be it in the providing of opportunities in your career or placement perspectives?
Yeah, since it's a financial hub, money flows in. It pays well too. So it has like sectors across like hospitals, pharmaceuticals, consultancy, insurance, data analytics, and many more are coming like in the domain. And since we are right into the hub, placed right in the middle of the Mumbai, we have easy access across to the mentors, across to the industry experts. And consider, for example, me coming all the way from Goa and getting placed right in the first week of placements. And yeah, in this V School has helped me a lot.
If anybody else would like to add.
I think V School acts as a channel because, as Athar rightly mentioned, Mumbai being a financial hub, it provides us with diverse opportunities because there are many healthcare companies here. So V School acts as a very good potential channel wherein the students, can bag these opportunities and which works in their favor.
So I think all in all, we have decided that when we have discussed about how PGDM healthcare is not specifically focused to either hospitals or pharmaceutical industry, it is quite varied. It has a lot of opportunities. There are a lot of, grooming that is provided here at V School, be it GCL, be it other grooming activities related to placement. So I think this was a great discussion, and thank you so much, everybody.